Vlogmas day 15 with Carolina. Hello guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 15. Sorry for the late start. It's already 5 p.m. I've just been cleaning all day and working on laundry, and I didn't even edit or anything. I've just been cleaning, and I had to go get ready because at 6 p.m. we're going to church for the nativity scene play that is held every year. So I gotta get going because I only have less than an hour to get ready. So let's do that. And I obviously cannot wear this, so let's get changed. Much better.
Hi!
Surprise, surprise, look who it is.
Yep.
It's her. We were just at... I can barely see that. So we finished at church with the nativity scene play, as I told you guys before. But now we just came to Starbucks. We just met up with some friends. Exactly. Oh my gosh. And yeah, so Monica here really wants to go to Shoprite to ride the scooters. I want to go home and edit so I can get some Vlogmases up for you guys, and I also have to pee really bad. But you know what? For her and for the vlog,
Thank you.
I'll go ride the scooters. So let's go, shall we? Oh, it's gonna be 111. Ah, 111. Yes. All right. So that was a fail because we got to ShopRite, and the place where you get the scooters indoors, the door to it was locked, so we couldn't get through. But we did use the bathroom, so thank you, ShopRite, for your service. Yeah, we're gonna head straight home then.
Yeah.
Right? Unfortunately.
Yeah.
All right. This was a jolly old ending to a jolly old evening.
Yes.
Don't know what that means. Bye-bye. Alright, you guys, so it's late right now, and you know what this means. It's the end to another day of Vlogmas day 15. And today I had a somewhat productive day. I am almost done cleaning my room. I finished doing the sheets on my bed. I was planning to edit. It's so late that I'm just exhausted. I want to go to bed, get some sleep, and I'll start the day off new tomorrow and start editing all that. Although you guys don't want to hear about the editing, like I know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Remember, start with what you have, not with what you want. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Love you.